Very good morning, friends and traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index. India VIX is cooled off to 10.06. Based on that, the levels calculated are 25,025 on the upper side and 24,763 on the lower side. And weekly low to be 24,547 and weekly high to be 25,241. I'm on the hourly chart. The Nifty is showing reversal. So if I take the path, this is the last day, and on Friday it has consolidated. You can see the Friday's move was narrow. This was the consolidation. Now, any market may, if I take the measured move from here to here, it exactly comes to the daily of 25,025. Market may today may try to go past this level and to reach the level of 25,025. There is possibility. And if I go to the lower time frame, 15 minutes, if you see over here, the last hour, so the reference point for the dip, any dip to, this is the third hourly break. Third hourly breakout, any dip to 24,849. 24,849 is a very good watchful area. So any dip is a buying opportunity to go long in the Nifty to the target of 25,025. I am analyzing with the help of my indicator, rolling pivot, trend combo, reversal magic. It is on the 15 minutes time frame. The pivots are aligned with pivots. These are the levels. 24,832, 849 is the intraday dip level, support level you can watch for. Any dip is a buying opportunity to go long. The market is showing reversal on an hourly basis. And if we go to the 4-hour basis, it is trying to reach this. Gann HiLo is turning blue. That means there is a flip in the direction. Flip in the trend direction, it is showing that. So any up move will trigger the move towards the 25,025. So friends, the market yesterday, it was a range. So it has closed near the mid of the previous day. So it has closed here. So watch out for the price action. Watch out for the intraday levels, what I mentioned. Let me go to the 15 minutes again. And any dip you can anticipate around this area, 24,849 to 24,833. Then level to watch out, and you can anticipate reversal in the market. So here the market, here third hour, that is the London session and European session, the market has moved higher. Big money has taken control. Any dip is an inducement to buy, not to sell. So as long as it holds above this level, 24,800, it should not breach the 24,800 on an intraday basis. Okay, friends, this is my analysis for today. I wish you all happy and profitable trading day. If you are not, this is my indicator. It is a very good indicator which can be used for daily and swing trade, positional trade, intraday trade, commodity, forex, crypto, and what in options. Mainly for the option traders, it is a boon. It directs you on an intraday basis. Okay, you will get precise entry and exits also. This indicator is very beautiful. If you have not accessed this indicator, you can message me. You can ask me to. This is a paid indicator. You need to pay and get the indicator. You can WhatsApp me on the number of 98452 09600. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.